Peterborough Services is one of those places thousands of people pass every day without ever really noticing. Sitting beside the A1 near Junction 17, just outside Peterborough, it opened as part of the modern upgrade of this section of the A1 corridor. A route officially opened in 1998 linking Alconbury to Peterborough and transforming one of Britain's busiest roads into motorway standard. Today the services are known for fuel, food, hotels and huge lorry parking areas serving drivers travelling between London and the north. But hidden away behind the constant noise of engines, air brakes and refrigeration units is a surprisingly peaceful pocket of nature. Tucked beside the lorry park is a small pond and wetland area that many people never even realise exists. At first glance it seems insignificant, a patch of reeds, a few shallow pools, scrubby bushes and bending in the wind from passing HGVs. But spend a few quiet minutes here and the place begins to reveal itself. In spring and early summer, warblers move through the reeds and hedgerows. Reed warblers chatter deep inside the vegetation, while sedge warblers deliver their frantic, scratchy song from exposed stems and bushes. On calmer mornings, chiffchaffs and blackcaps can often be heard nearby, their songs somehow surviving above the distant roar of the motorway. The pond also attracts a surprising number of ducks and waterbirds. Mallards drift quietly across the water while moorhens slip between the reeds almost unnoticed. What makes the place fascinating is the contrast. Only metres away are hundreds of lorries, fuel pumps, bright lights and fast food outlets. Yet hidden behind fencing and embankments, wildlife continues almost undisturbed. For migrating birds, even tiny wetlands like this can become important resting and feeding spots. It's a reminder that nature does not always need vast reserves or remote countryside. Sometimes it survives in overlooked corners besides industrial estates, railway sidings or even motorway service stations. So next time you stop at Peterborough Services on the A1, take a moment to look beyond the car park and the coffee shops, because hidden beside the lorry park is a small but remarkable piece of living countryside, quietly living on alongside the endless movement of Britain's Great Road North.